morning vlog.
Psych, it's 1:30 p.m.
We have some Sonic here. And it is unfortunate. It is unfortunate because they forgot my fries, and so Nate had to go back and get them after he already went.
Sandwiches did you order? I don't even know what I look like, so.
Anywho, we just thought we'd check in and say, hey, we're eating grilled cheese. Mine has pickles on it. Lydia's eating a chili cheese wrap.
With one Frito on the.
Oh, and tell them what else you have.
Huh?
Tell them what else you're having.
Dope.
You all know how she loves dope. So we'll check in later, but for right now, we're just here eating our Sonic. Okay, guys, we're gonna take a poll. This is a mini M&M blast from Sonic. Lydia has the cookie dough blast. Poll in the comments. If you watch this video and you're watching it all the way through, you will see this. So do this poll. Which is better, the M&M blast or the cookie dough blast? I say M&M. She says cookie dough. Let us know in the comments. Of course I'm gonna win. Yes, I am in a robe. Don't judge me. It's really cold and can you see my breath? I can see my breath. I stepped outside because I didn't know. I wanted to show you guys the snow. Well, I don't know if you can actually see it snowing, but you can see it on the ground and the ice on the trees and everything. But it is snowing right now. Look up here on the roof. So I love snow. I'm excited about this, and it's sticking. We're supposed to get about 5 inches Monday. I didn't know it was supposed to snow today, so this is really exciting. Let's see if I can. Ooh, it's a little chilly. You can hear the ice on the ground. Look at this. It's snowing. All right, guys, it's Sunday morning, and we have a situation. I'm getting ready for church, as you can see, and there's a blizzard outside. And we're trying to knock the ice off my car so I can drive. The ice is not wanting to come. I don't think you're going to be able to see out this window. Yeah, there you go. So that's the situation. We'll see if I have like 15 minutes before I have to leave, so we'll see how it goes and see if I can drive and we can knock the ice off my car. Well, we got my car well enough for me to drive. Look at all of this snow. I'm hoping that the roads are not covered and it's just the cove here outside. We shall see. The flakes are large. It's snowing and I've got to leave to go to church, so we shall see. Hello everyone! If I look weird, it's blizzarding outside. Yeah, she's wearing earmuffs. Happy Valentine's Day to all my singles out there. Hey.
She feels you.
I feel you. So it's Sunday. It's 11:53. We just got out of church. It's very snowy. It's very cold.
It hasn't snowed this much here in years. Like, probably since I was about 15. No, about 18, I think. I think I was about 18.
Yeah, it's been a very long time since we've seen snow.
It's been at least 6 to 8 years, so.
It's crazy.
We've gotten probably an inch of snow so far at least. I mean,
plus ice. There's ice everywhere.
oh, there's a half an inch to an inch of ice on my.
Yeah, we couldn't get the car door open.
I had to crawl through.
I had to crawl through because the handle is like completely frozen shut. It's great.
I'm shocked that I got my door open, honestly.
Yeah.
But here we are, driving in the snow.
Here we are.
When we park at Lydia's house, we'll show you the snow. I vlogged some this morning at my house, but there wasn't. It was icy. It wasn't quite this much. Yeah, I can feel it slipping.
Calm down. It's fine.
I also have a scarf, so if it looks like I have a beard, I don't.
She doesn't have a beard, y'all. Just disclaimer there. She doesn't shave her chin. She doesn't have a beard.
How do you not shave my chin?
I'm with you all the time. I know you don't shave your chin. You barely shave other places. Okay,
My nose is
anyways.
like running now.
Happy Valentine's Day. We'll check in jeans again.
After the coat is taken off.
You may proceed.
What?
You may proceed.
What are you doing?
Filming you. This is what is going on. Look at the snow. It's snowing. This is what has to happen because Lydia's door will not open. It is crusted shut.
Indeed it is.
Girl,
Ow,
don't pierce my leather with your boots.
The seatbelt just stabbed me. I gotta get out of here.
Be very careful with your boots. Don't pierce my leather, girl.
Girl, calm down.
You have a napkin stuck to your shoe.
It's not my napkin.
Well, pick it up.
Let me get out first. I made it, y'all.
And she looks cute. Okay, lock my door. Do I have my keys? Yes, I do. Lock my door.
Well, that's embarrassing. Okay.
Okay, so here's the snow. This is from Lydia's house. There's a lot of it right now. Well, not a whole lot, but a lot for us. And look at this ice. Look how thick this ice is on the back of my car. I mean, look at this. That's like almost an inch thick.
Ow, piece of snow just flew into my eye.
Whoa, you were out of focus.
What?
I said you were out of focus.
Tasty.
So anyways, I was going to show them her crusted shut door. As you can see, we've tried to open it.
You know
Whoops.
what?
Ooh. Oh, look at the muscadine. I mean the honeysuckle vine. It's so icy. And the rose bushes. These are all rose bushes here on this side. It keeps not focusing because of the snow and the cold, but look at this tree. It's one of my favorites. And it's covered in ice and snow now. My hand is going numb, so I'm gonna have to go in a second, but I just thought y'all might want to see how much it's snowing, and I think actually we're supposed to get more snow. This whole vlog may be snow because we hardly ever get it, and we love it. So anyways, I'm going inside now because it's cold. Okay guys, I wanted to do a quick update on Lydia's room because she has made some adjustments. As you know, this wall used to be blue. I'm sorry for the lighting as usual. You already know it is what it is. This wall is actually a very pastel yellow, not a mustard yellow. So this is it. And she's not finished yet, but she got this white comforter quilt and her yellow sheets and her boho pillow. Indie pillow. And she has her L. This wall is going to be a collage, but we'll wait and show you that. That's supposed to come in on Tuesday. She's going to paint her dresser white. So this really hasn't been done yet, but it will be. Then we have here, these things are new. This mirror and this indie artwork has a Bible verse on it. And so yeah, we'll update you more, but we just thought we'd come on here and be like, oh, there's some updates, so we must show you. So here is our Valentine's Day setup. I wish you could smell it because the candles smell really good. My mom did this for Valentine's Day. I thought it was so beautiful. I just had to show you. Hey y'all! We're here again.
Howdy.
So look what we just got. Harry and Ron. Harry and Ron. Harry and Ron. Harry and Ron. These are Pez machines.
That's Ron. And this is Harry. He's hot.
Hey y'all.
Hey.
So speaking of Harry Potter, Lydia thinks Harry's hot and I don't.
Harry Potter is the most attractive person in the series.
No, the most attractive person in the series would either have to be
the fourth movie when he gets his new hair. Y'all know what I'm talking about if you've seen it. The fourth movie when he gets his new haircut, but it's like slightly spiked up here, and he gets like, he really starts to get cute in that one.
I would say Draco, or when Neville, in the last one, Neville.
Draco's okay, but in the last one he looks too much like an adult.
They're 18 in the last one.
Yeah, but he looks too much like one.
So anyways,
I think
he's hot. I think he's cute. I have a thing for redheads.
Oh, really?
Yes. So this is Ron Weasley. Oh, let's talk about how Lydia feels about Ginny Weasley.
You just have to ruin my entire day with that cursed name. I wouldn't appreciate that, girl.
So leave a comment down below if you...
First of all, if you haven't seen Harry Potter, then you won't know what we're talking about. So go watch it.
Leave a comment down below if you love Ginny Weasley.
Or if you hate her. Me.
Lydia has never...
Desperate little girl.
Lydia has never despised anybody as much as she despises Ginny Weasley.
Worst.
Joking.
Hang on. Worst TV character I've ever seen. Not the acting, but the TV character. It's horrid. I just can't stand it.
So anywho,
It ruins-
I think we're about to watch the Waltons, and then I have to go home because it's going to be blizzarding some more. Tomorrow,
And I'll just be here alone.
the low is 2 degrees.
And I'll just be here alone. Don't zoom in quite so much. You're making my forehead look large.
There, now you don't have one.
Thanks.
Anywho, so Harry and Ron, they're best friends. Harry and Ron, they're best friends. Harry and Ron, they're best friends. Harry and Ron.
They're best friends, y'all. I think you get the idea.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
We need to go.
I'll show you more snow later.
I'm sure she will. She's obsessed with it. Every 5 minutes she goes to the window and says, "It's snowing!" Hashtag exposed! Don't say y'all.
I like snow.
Whatever. Dispense from the pleasantries.
Goodbye.
Well, here we are.
Outside in the snow.
It's cold.
It's great.
Yeah.
I love snow. Lydia has beautiful snowflakes in her hair and it makes her look like a snow princess. I don't think I have any.
My nose is red and it low-key looks like I'm not wearing any foundation on it, but I promise I am. Also, I'm in a robe.
Whoops, I lost my thing. I look like I'm in a bonnet.
You're
with
fine.
this.
You look violent. Stop
Okay,
that.
show them the snow. Show them all around.
It's not focused.
All around the snow. All around the snow. We're vlogging. I just got a snowflake in my eye.
Whoa, what is happening with this lighting?
We're vlogging in the snow.
My hand is freezing off. I'm gonna get hypothermia, and it's all gonna be your fault. It was low-key good.
No, for real though.
Bro, this light. I'm very sorry. Show them everything. Show them the trees, and show them the snowflakes.
It's falling down and falling down and falling down in the snow. And Lydia's like, I will
I
show
really
them.
don't care.
I will show them me. And that's it.
No, I'm showing them the land.
Whoa. She said I'm showing them the land.
My nose. I don't like it. Where are you going?
Watch this.
I don't know what happened
Ready?
here.
Ready? Ready? Watch out. Watch you move your arm. Try that again.
Meanwhile, my fingers are turning blue. It's fine. The things I do for her.
What are you doing?
Do what you were doing before. It's really good. I'm not kidding.
Whoa.
Can y'all see these snowflakes? And then do y'all see this? You had a little bit on your chin.
Wait, what?
Okay, that's enough. You've had enough.
It's good.
Girl, you had enough.
I want more.
Go. We're going to get your coat.
I don't know if you guys can see this really well. I'm not, and don't worry because I'm driving because this is my road, okay? My house is right up there. But I wanted just you to see how thick a layer of, this is not snow, this is ice on our road. That's my house right there. Look how thick this is, guys. It's insane.
Alright guys, I was at an intersection right near my house and I pulled into the turning lane, which I could tell was like packed full of ice, so I was literally going like 10 miles an hour, and I pulled into the turning lane and I couldn't stop. Like I was hitting my brake and I was just sliding into the intersection. Thankfully, praise the Lord, I was able to stop right before I got like to the middle of the intersection, and then I had a green light, so I went ahead and turned. So praise the Lord, he kept me safe in that, and I made it home because our entire road is full of ice, and it is not showing any signs of stopping anytime soon. So I'm about to go inside and warm my bum by the fire because it is cold. I think that's all I'm going to vlog today because I've had it and it's all snow. I wanted y'all to see what I was talking about the ice. Look, this is my front door. This is what's going on right now. This is the whole situation. Yeah, this is ice. Our front yard is covered in ice. Look at that. That cove, and all the way down the street is just ice. And yeah, I thought I would show y'all. It's really beautiful. I think it's gorgeous, but it's dangerous trying to drive in it. But yeah. Hello vlog. So it snowed all night long and there's snow piled up outside our front door. So I thought I would show you that and the rest of the snow. And yeah, I probably won't be going anywhere today because everything is completely covered. So I thought maybe I should show you. So there's a snowdrift outside the front door here, and I have purposed to see how deep it is. You know, I'm out here in my house shoes. Probably not the wisest idea. I probably should have put on boots, but you know what? It is what it is. Okay, I have a tape measure. I want to see how deep this snowdrift is. Probably gonna fall in it because I'm in my house shoes, but you know, it is what it is. Let's see. We'll go in. Okay, fail. Hang on. I've hit the bottom yet. And I don't think that's even at the bottom of the snowdrift. This is the backyard. It's piled up to the door. And there's another deep snowdrift. And I thought I would see how deep it is. Just look at all this snow. It's insane. We haven't got this much in like 10 years. 3 to 4 inches looks like. About 3 outside our back door. So, when you come out to play in the snow, you have to look like a giant marshmallow, or else you're not warm enough. These pants are not warm enough. The top of me is fine. My hands are getting a little cold because my gloves are wet, but I'm not here by myself. Lydia's at her house, so that's why she's not with me. And I would drive over there, but alas, the roads are icy. Wish I had different gloves. Anywho, that's why I'm not here alone. But I love snow, so I decided I wanted to play in the snow. So I'm here, playing in the snow alone. And I've set you up on the fence, and there's ice on the fence, so it kept slipping. So if my head's like chopped off, sorry. There's a hill, there's a fence. You know, you gotta make do with what you got. I'm gonna tuck this in. There we go. Now I won't have to keep moving it around. So anywho, there's so much snowfall. I'm gonna see if I can move you to a different spot on the fence. Oh, this almost looks like Narnia back in here. See if I can get enough ice off the fence to sit you down. Hence, this reminds me of Narnia. Going under the trees. Had a little hideaway here under the trees. Thought it was quite beautiful in our backyard here. Oh, there's so much snow. Come back here. Whoa. Whoa. Stepped in a hole. Now we're back out to the big snowflakes. Look at how big they are. Oh, some birds flying around. These are some huge snowflakes. Isn't that incredible? Wow, they just keep getting bigger and bigger. Check this out. This is the view from the upstairs window. Still snowing. And you can hardly tell where the road starts and where the yard starts. It's snowed that much. I think we've gotten around 8 inches at this point. And then try to do this even though there's a screen. Here's the cars. And we have snow drifts of about 2 feet at this point, maybe more. It was about that last time I checked. But anyways, this is the view from how it looks from the upstairs looking down onto the road and the driveway. So pretty. Whoa!
I bet your back hurts. Why did you slip and fall?
I don't know.
I don't even have my gloves on you.
We'll get them on.
Yeah. Yeah. You're not as quick as me.
Ready? On your mark, get set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ah, you fell, sucker. You fell, sucker.
2, 3. Did I hit you in the face? I'm sorry. Here. Here, dude.
Here,
Oh, thanks. There.
I'll give you a chance to get as big of a snowball as I have. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Just take it like a man.
Take it like a man.
Take it like a man.
All right, he wants to take it like a man.
I punched you, didn't I?
Wait. Snow days.
Alright guys, I think that's going to be the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of the snow and the beautiful white, crisp, pure layer on the ground. We have such fun in snow. It's so rare that we get it. If you got the overload, sorry, not sorry. Yeah, we hope you enjoyed, and I wouldn't end here without Lydia, but the snow is just on the ground and I don't think there's any way I can get over there before this is supposed to be uploaded. So just my face telling you bye. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell us if you're getting snow where you are, if you love snow like we do. Thank you guys, and we will see you in Friday's video.